Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A3 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the volume up and power key together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now deletes. So now here select language and it will send you in recovery, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Now here tap on format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code 9398 in format data. Enter it 9398 and you can see format data. All user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. As you can see, wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. And you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A3 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.